235 radios is this much. What is the cost of one radio? For this question, what you will do, beta? I am leaving this question. You will perform this question yourself. Cost of one radio will be the cost of one radio will be 587,500. 587,500 divided by 235. So you will perform this question yourself. I am leaving question number 3rd for your homework. Okay, and in question number 4 I am taking. All the questions are based on the division. So some question you have to perform yourself. The product of two numbers is this. If one of the number is 987, what is the other number? Okay, see that. First number into second number is equal to always product of number. Always product of numbers. Okay. If what is saying then, if one number is 987 multiplied by second number is not given, so we will write second number here, and you have to given product also. How much is product? 1785483. 1785483. Okay. So you have to find second number. What you will do, beta? Second number is equal to 1785483 divided by 987. So now you have to perform division. Now you have to perform division here. Okay. You will what you will do, beta? 987. You will write whatever I have written. First you will write there, and then in your fair part you will perform division as I taught you previously. 987. Don't do this division in rough column. It is a part of the question, so you will perform this part in your fair part. Okay. Now see that 987 divided this one. See that. If I will take 178, it will become less than this. So we can't take. What I taught you, that in the number in which you are making the division, that is always greater or equivalent to the divisor. Okay. So you can take this number, you have to take 1785. Okay. Now see that 9 2 ja 18. It will become greater than this. So 1 ja it will go. Otherwise what I taught you, you will make the table of this number on the right hand side column, and in this way it will be very easy to perform division. I am doing myself. I taught you in the first part that on that way you will do, but here I am doing directly, but you people will not do directly. Okay. Now see that 1 ja 987. Then 5 minus 7 is not possible, so it will become 15. 15 minus 7, 8. So it will become 7. 7 minus 8 is not possible. Take one carry. 17 it will be. Here it will become 6. 17 minus 8, 9. Okay. Here 6 it will become. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So here it will become 0, and then 16. 16 minus 9. It will become 7. Okay. Now bring down this 4 here. See that. 987. 980. I am multiplying it by 8. 8 7 ja 56. 5 carry. 8 8 ja 64. 64 plus 5 69. 6 carry. 8 9 ja 72. 72 plus 6 78. It will go very near, means 8 ja it will go. 8 ja. 7 8 9 6. 7 8 9 6. Now see that here it will be 14. Subtraction now. 14. 14 minus 6, 8. Here it will become 7. So division is not possible. Take carry. 17 it will be. Here it will become 8. All the children know the subtraction. 17 minus 9. 8. So 8 minus 8 it will become 0, and 7 minus 7 also 0. Okay. Now bring down next number, that is 8. Again further division is not possible because this is 987 and this is becoming 888. So after bringing down this 8, further division was not possible. So you will put 0 here because we can't bring two numbers together. So now bring down this 3 here. Okay. Now see that 9 8 ja, this one 9 9 ja, check it now. 9 8 7 9. 9 7 ja 63. 6 carry. 9 8 ja 72 plus 6 78. 7 carry. 9 9 ja 81. 81 plus 7 88. It has come 8 8 8 3. So it will be, so in this way how many, what will be the second number? Second number will be 180. So how you will write second number is equal to 180. This will be your answer. Question number 5 now beta. The cost of one cricket ball is 78. Find the cost of one cricket ball if 78 cricket ball cost is 9750. This is very simple question. Cost of one cricket ball is equal to 78 rupees. Okay. So cost of 9750 cricket ball is equal to 9750 divided by 78. So you people are able to do this small division, so you will perform this division yourself. I am leaving this. This will also be your homework. Okay. Now move to the question number 6. Find the greatest 8-digit number which is exactly divisible by greatest 2-digit number. Write that. I read just now the question. Find the greatest 8-digit number which is actively divisible by greatest 2-digit number. Everybody of you know that greatest 8-digit number. Greatest 8-digit number is always 999999999. Okay. And greatest 2-digit number. 2-digit number is equal to 9999999. 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 9. Okay. So he is saying that, oh sorry, greatest 2-digit number. Sorry beta. By mistake I have written it is 99. Okay. Now what he is asking that this number should be exactly divisible by this means you have to perform the division. So I am performing here. Just check it. Exactly it should be. How you will perform? Maybe now I am writing it 9 9 9 9 9 9. 9 9 divided by 99. Now write here 99 99 99 99 or 99. Okay. Now just perform division. 99 1 ja, in this 2-digit you will make 99. Okay. Then here nothing will remain. Bring down this 9 here. The 99 is greater than 9, so division is not possible. Put 0 here and bring another 9. So again 99 1 ja 99. Okay. Again make cross and bring another 9 here. Further division of 99 is not possible in 9, so put 0 here. Again bring another 9. So again 99 1 ja 99. So okay, so in this way it will become 0. So bring down again 9 here. Further 99 9 is not coming in a table of 99, so put 0 here and bring down another one. So 99 1 ja 99. So in this way you have seen how we have performed the division. Okay, so what answer will come? 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 1. Okay, it will be your answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so in this way just you can perform the question number till question number 6. Now I am moving to the question number 7.